Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Sugar Life. So today's recipe is a protein and vitamin rich soya chunks recipe. Please watch the recipe till the end because I'm gonna share 2 secret ingredients which will give this dish a high flavor. So let's start making our Punjabi Nutri chunks. So to make this recipe, take 1 cup mini Nutri chunks. I'm using Nutrela soya chunks. So these are also known as meal maker or soya nuggets. So since these are like dehydrated and defatted products, they need to be soaked or boiled in hot water. So here I have boiled 2 cups of water or is required. Then add soya chunks into it. At this stage, add some salt and half tablespoon of vinegar. Vinegar will remove that unpleasant smell from soya chunks. Boil for good 5 to 7 minutes. Then switch off the flame and allow it to cool down. So now moving to our next step, we need 3 medium-sized tomatoes, 2 green chilies, 9 to 10 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, 1.5 or 2 medium-sized onions. Then make a smooth paste of tomatoes, chili, garlic and ginger. And also we'll fine chop the onions. So here I have added all 4 ingredients in a blender jar. Now I'll make a smooth paste. Now heat a pan on medium flame and then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. Allow it to melt and then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 small bay leaves. Allow cumin seeds to splutter a little. Now add finely chopped onions. Saute it for 4 to 5 minutes or till it turns golden or light brown in color. While our onions are frying, we'll take out our Nutri chunks from the water, but just keep an eye on this, stir it frequently. So take out the soya chunks from the pan and squeeze out excess water. Collect all the soya chunks in separate bowl or plate. So these mini balls are loaded with so many health benefits. It contains higher percentage of protein as compared to meat or egg. So in the same manner, we will squeeze out excess water and transfer it to another bowl. So here our onions are almost done. See the color, it is nice golden brown. Now we'll add our tomato paste and we'll saute it. So let the tomatoes cook for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll prepare for our first ingredient, that is a secret ingredient for this recipe. So take a pan, add half cup of water, allow it to boil and then add 2 teaspoons of tea leaves and boil it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Then strain this and keep the water aside. Now if you can see, oil is oozing out of tomato and onion paste, so that means it's cooked. And now it's time for our next secret ingredient, which is baking soda. Add half teaspoon of baking soda and mix it well. So baking soda is alkaline in nature, and when it reacts with this paste, it gives it a good dark color and taste. Now add half teaspoon of red chili powder, 2.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1.5 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, Mix it well for another 30 seconds and then add soya chunks into it. See the color of the paste? It is dark in color. Now we'll be adding our soya chunks. Give it a good mix. Now I'm gonna add our tea leaf water, and at this stage add half teaspoon of amchur powder or dry mango powder and about half teaspoon of kasuri methi and some salt to taste. Mix it well and add half cup of water. Now let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes and finally add handful of chopped coriander leaves. Give it a good mix. Then in a small pan we'll be adding 2.5 tablespoons of ghee and we'll add sliced ginger and a pinch of hing or asafoetida. Then pour this tadka over the curry and you're good to go. Amazing Punjabi Nutri chunks are ready. Serve it hot with chapatis or rumali roti, and if you are planning to eat this a little later, then reheat this before eating because it will be flavorful only when served hot. So I hope you like this video and recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon for new video notifications. So that's it for today. I'll see you next time with a new recipe and video. So till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you for watching my channel Sugar Life.